Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. You're watching the Revkid. For decades, Royal Enfield has been synonymous with exploration, particularly in the breathtaking landscapes of the Himalayas. The brand's cult following and fan base have been nurtured through its iconic bikes. In the pursuit of helping riders fulfill their Himalayan dreams, Royal Enfield introduced the Himalayan 411, India's first homegrown adventure bike. Now, 6 years later, we stand on the precipice of a new chapter, the Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a ground-up development promising a new era of adventure riding. The question on everyone's mind, is this the perfect all-rounder ADV we have been waiting for? Well, let's dive in and find out. Before we delve into the intricate design details, let's clear up a little confusion. It's not called the Himalayan 452 as the engine displacement might suggest, it's simply the Himalayan 450. This new iteration is an evolution, retaining the core values that made its predecessor special. The familiar headlight, windscreen and tank rails are still present, but now everything feels refreshingly modern. The LED headlight, similar to that of the Super Meteor 650, adds a contemporary touch. The first thing that catches your eye is the redesigned tank, blending a bulbous front with a slender rear that seamlessly connects to the new seat. It's not just a visual upgrade, it now accommodates an extra 2 liters of fuel, perfect for those extended journeys. The saddle sits taller by default at 825mm with the flexibility to adjust to 845mm by a simple seat height adjustment. Enhanced ground clearance now at 230mm, which is 10mm more than before, and 200mm wheel travel on both ends ensure improved off-road prowess. The split seat setup receives better padding now for increased comfort. The rear section boasts a complete overhaul, featuring a fresh design for grab rails and a top rack. Notably, Royal Enfield has stitched the dedicated tail light, integrating it seamlessly into the LED turn signals. Introducing the all-new Tripper Dash navigation system, a full TFT 4-inch circle screen offering a comprehensive view source from Google Maps. The display is vibrant and rider-focused, providing just the right amount of information. The bright and vibrant display remains visible even under harsh sunlight, making it a reliable companion for urban navigation. You also get dark and light modes that can be toggled automatically or manually that enhance the overall user experience. Turning to the side profile, the spotlight is on the new liquid-cooled engine, the Sherpa 450. Lean and slightly forward canted, it optimizes the bike's center of gravity. The higher air intake improves water wading ability, accompanied by a distinctive intake whistle when throttling. Surprisingly sleek and compact, the exhaust deviates from traditional Royal Enfield designs, thanks to a larger catalytic converter managing the silencing. The overall fit and finish levels meet the expectations we have developed for modern Royal Enfields, adding a touch of refinement to the overall aesthetics. Now, coming to the main part, the heart of this beast. Powering the Himalayan 450 is the all-new 452cc liquid-cooled Sherpa 450 engine, a first for Royal Enfield in terms of modern engine implementation. Generating 39.5 bhp at 8000 rpm and 40 Nm of torque at 5500 rpm, the engine features a ride-by-wire system, ensuring a smooth and linear response. The power band is expertly tuned, delivering 90% of peak torque as early as 3000 rpm. However, below the 3000 rpm mark, the engine does feel a bit sluggish. The bike feels somewhat lethargic, especially when you're crawling through traffic or riding at lower speeds. It's essential to keep the revs up for optimal performance. With a 6-speed gearbox and strategically spread ratios, the first 4 gears cater to off-road prowess, while the 5th and the 6th gears offer taller ratios for cruising. Navigating through the hustle and bustle of city streets can be a true test for any motorcycle, and the Himalayan 450 does not disappoint. The upright riding position, a trademark of adventure bikes, gives you excellent visibility over the traffic ahead. Maneuvering through tight spaces and taking on stop-and-go traffic feels surprisingly manageable, thanks to the bike's nimble nature. The smooth and responsive ride-by-wire system ensures a predictable and linear power delivery, making throttle control in traffic a breeze. I found the gearbox to be precise, with well-spaced ratios that allow you to dart through gaps in traffic with ease. One aspect that truly stands out in the city environment is the improved suspension setup. The 200mm wheel travel at both ends absorb road undulations effortlessly, offering a plush and comfortable ride. This becomes especially noticeable when dealing with uneven road surfaces or navigating over speed bumps. The braking performance on this adventure tourer deserves special mention. It's a crucial aspect of the overall riding experience, and Royal Enfield has certainly nailed it with the Himalayan 450. Despite shedding 3 kg, the Himalayan 450 still tips the scales at 196 kg. While you feel the weight during tight maneuvers in a parking lot, the moment you set off, it magically disappears. With a price tag of 2.69 lakhs ex-showroom, the Royal Enfield Himalayan 450 emerges as a stellar choice for riders seeking a versatile companion for both on- and off-road adventures. This adventure tourer not only preserves Royal Enfield's rich legacy but also elevates the riding experience with its well-crafted design, featuring a blend of iconic elements and modern enhancements. It's a machine that offers a perfect amalgamation of heritage and innovation, making it a compelling choice for those who crave exploration on diverse terrains. So if you're in a search of a bike that excels both on the asphalt and the untamed trails, the Royal Enfield Himalayan 450 might just be the perfect choice. So that's all for today. Hope you guys liked the video, and if you guys did, you guys already know the drill. Like, share, comment and subscribe. This is Revkid signing off. Thanks for watching.